What's up, viewers? Today, I'm about to fry that turkey up. Let me show you how I prepare it. Let's go. So here's the bird here. It is a 13.7, almost 14 pound bird. We're gonna fry it. Fryer that I have only goes up to 14 pounds, so that's why I got a 13.7, or closest to 14 that I could. There's a few things that you're gonna wanna do to prep it. Just got, I think everybody's familiar with this, the injectable Creole style butter. We got a chicken and rib seasoning. I know it's turkey, but we're using chicken. Stick of butter. So there's a few things that you're gonna wanna do. First of all, you're gonna make sure that it's completely thawed out. So I had to do that this morning. A couple of things that we're gonna trim off. I think I'm gonna leave the tail on just because I like how it tastes when it's fried. But all of this right here, we're gonna trim down. All that neck, we don't need all that. And the one other thing that you wanna do is make sure that you remove the little pop-up thing, because you're going to be putting in the fryer and you don't want this to melt inside your bird. We're going to rub the inside of the skin on the breast. We're going to put some of the seasoning inside the cavity. We're going to inject it. We're going to rub it down, and then we're going to throw it in the fridge. And after that, tomorrow, I'll show you guys what I do when I fry it up. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure that you take out the neck and the package that comes in it with the hearts and the gizzards and the liver and all that stuff too. You don't want to cook that, but you should know that already. It's like turkey frying 101. All right, so I switched over to the head cam so you can get a POV look of what I'm doing. First thing I want to do is make sure I cut off that piece that's around the neck. You're not gonna need all this. I really need to sharpen a lot of my knives around here. Second thing you'll want to do is what I like to do. I like to make a slit. You can see right in here. You'll want to make a slit. Actually, you can actually just push your fingers up in there. Usually you'll have to make a slit because you won't be able to get your fingers up. What we're gonna do is take that butter and rub it all on the inside. So make sure you don't rip the skin there. What I want to do though is kind of make a butter and rub seasoning. Mix that all in. We're gonna rub this all on the inside there. That'll add a lot of flavor. It'll put in a lot of moisture. So just whatever your favorite rub is, mix it in with a little bit of butter, and then just rub it on the inside of the bird. I even get some inside the cavity here, just so that rub sticks. Rub the outside with it, that's fine. Because like I said, we're gonna put a rub all over the back, all over the front, all over this bad boy. We're gonna fry it up, cat. So then what I wanna do now is go ahead and inject it. I'm gonna do that. So I wash my hands. I use this stuff every year. It's really good. Some people like to brine their turkeys. I tried it once. You gotta do it right, or else you end up making your turkey really salty if you don't rinse it off correctly. This time I'm not brining the turkey. I've done it like this where I didn't brine it, kind of rubbed it down, did a little rub on it, injected it, let it sit in the fridge overnight, and it turned out amazing. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Go to town. I like to hit in the breast, and I'll go through the legs, and I'll hit the thighs. So you wanna make sure you hit it everywhere. See it plump up some. How I do it. I like fried turkey. Back in the day, we used to do oven. But once you have a fried turkey, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can keep getting videos sent to you on a regular. Now I'm about to hit the legs. Inject that flavor. Gets all plump. try to use this whole bottle. Flip you over. I'm gonna hit the wings too. Fried wings. Fried turkey never fails, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You can see, I'll try to get up here real close so you can see. So for the wings, you'll see that it'll plump up. That's all that injection going in there. Do this one. Oops. Get it in there first. There you go. See all that? Gonna get that too. All the way down in there. Get all that flavor in there. This thing's buff now. Buff. So I used up probably about 3/4 of it. What we're gonna do now is put the rub all over the bird, cover it up. We're gonna get all in the inside too, cover it up. Tomorrow morning, gonna throw this bad boy on the fryer. So that's what we do. Yeah. You wanna cover it. Let's just do it like this. Y'all know this is gonna turn out good, right? Get you nice and covered. So that's it, man. Like I said, we went underneath it with the butter, hit it with the butter, then we injected it with the Creole seasoning. Make sure if you're watching this next year beforehand, make sure you go out early to get that Creole injection because this stuff sells fast. And then just rub it down with your rub. I'll probably sprinkle some more rub on tomorrow. We'll throw it in the fryer and that's it. It's day 2, getting the oil ready for the turkey fryer. We need this coming. The turkey fryer that I have is a Masterbuilt. It's called the Turk and Serve. It's pretty old, but it's been hanging in there. So I'm about to plug it in right now. Set the temperature to 400. What's up? Hey, say hi. Sit. Say hi. Oh, say hi, Casey. He's like, whatever, dude. I'm gonna put the turkey in the basket, and after we do that, we're gonna wait for this to heat up, drop the turkey in, let it fry. It should take about 56 minutes because it's supposed to be I'll do the math in there. I'll show you guys. I'll explain everything. Just hang on. Okay, so we're gonna put the turkey inside the basket and put the basket in the fryer once the fryer heats up. So it's actually supposed to be every 3 minutes per pound. This is a 13.7. So 13.7 pound turkey times 3, and they say to add 5 minutes. So plus 5. So this should take about 46 minutes to cook. That's about right, yeah, 46 minutes to cook. But what I'm gonna do is place the turkey in. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Make sure you do it breast side up. And so let's do that. Let me show you real quick. So you see I got the turkey in there. This little round part that's up here, that's kind of where the neck is placed. You want the breast up. And then once it heats up out there, we'll throw it in. And that's the fun part, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. All right, y'all. Moment of truth. Put this bad boy in. Want to make sure you lower it slow. We'll wait about 46 minutes, put that on. It smelled good as soon as it hit that. Boom, about 46. We'll be back. It's turkey day, y'all. It's turkey day. So, about 46 minutes has passed. It's time to lift it out. That is the most beautiful color turkey I've ever seen in my life. Wow. Now we gotta transfer this to that. I'm not gonna show that part because I'm gonna need both hands. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when we get back inside. But man. This is the final product here. Kind of tore the skin on the legs a little bit, trying to lift it out. But overall, it looks delicious. So we're gonna try it out. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button and drop a comment. Let me know if you had any difficulties making a turkey. And like always, I'll be right here. Peace out.